Alright, I'm back. I had a little temper tantrum because I lost a couple hearts already, and I was ready to uninstall this thing. I don't know what's going on. All these ads and pop-ups. Please work. Go! Go! Yeah! I think we got it. No thank you. I'm not gonna watch an ad to get... I'll do it off camera maybe, if I need it. But we're here to learn French. I should just have it reloaded next time for the next video. Have it all ready to go.
Excuse-moi.
Say again.
Excuse-moi.
Excuse-moi. Excuse me. Excuse-moi. I kind of like this course, and I kind of just get...
Excuse-moi.
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 Tu es espagnol?
No. Tu es español? Are you Spanish? Tu es español?
Un.
I don't know why they have that. It's the most useless part of the course.
Agneau.
Año.
Agneau.
Une femme espagnole.
Une femme espagnole. So, Spanish woman.
Tu parles anglais?
Tu parles anglais? Do you speak English? Tu parles anglais? Very useful sentence. Excuse-moi, tu parles anglais?
Excuse-moi, tu parles anglais?
No, je parle espagnol et français. No, I speak Spanish and French. Excuse-moi, quel est votre nom? How do you say it all nicely? Translate the sentence. Tap to see the word bank. Let's tap to see the word bank. Alright, so get my face out of the way. Excuse-moi.
Excuse-moi.
Excuse-moi. What is your name? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment tu t'appelles? I can't remember it. Comment tu t'appelles?
Appelles.
Comment tu t'appelles, right? Oh yeah! Don't take my hearts away, man. I worked hard. Actually, I just slept and I woke up and then there they were. And what is your name? Comment t'appelles-tu? Et comment t'appelles-tu? Alright. Perfect. Dun dun. And I know how to mute the ads, like the volume anyway. Et comment t'appelles-tu? Let's practice some more French while we wait for the next lection. 5, 4, 3. This is the glass cleaning. Da-da. Is it just me, or is it like, it feels like it's slower now? Maybe I just got older and everything's slower now. I can mute it.
Oh, this?
Oh, wait.
This is the fun part.
It's French.
It's getting a little something while juggling everything.
Okay. I thought she said something in French, and I was like, oh, a French commercial. I'll listen to a French commercial to try to comprehend. You moved into the top 10. Wow. I am the top 10 French language learner. Whatever you call it. Words are hard right now. Tap here for an overview. I don't care, whatever. I want to do a next lesson, man. Lesson 4 of 5. Starting now. Oh, they're going to give me another ad? Oh, okay. In Sweden, the most popular language on Duolingo is Swedish. That's because people that are there want to learn how to talk with the natives. What is on my table? It's all gunky. Must have been slobbering during the last lesson or something. I'll have to go watch the video before I upload it, just in case. Un homme mexicain? What?
Mexicain.
Mexicain. Un homme mexicain. A Mexican man. Un homme mexicain.
Louis est mexicain.
Louis est mexicain. So Louis est Mexican.
Mexicain.
Louis is a Mexican. Louis is Mexican.
Il parle anglais.
Il parle anglais, so he speaks English. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Moving on.
N.
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 I guess it's helpful to learn how to read later.
Un.
Eh.
E. Un.
I guess that is sort of useful.
Un homme américain.
Un homme américain, American man. An American man. An American man. They don't have the typing thing anymore. What happened to the keyboard? Complete the sentence. C'est un professeur américain. Il parle anglais.
Anglais.
Une femme mexicaine.
Une femme mexicaine. So a Mexican woman. Okay. I don't feel irritated
Julia est mexicaine.
anymore. Julia est Mexican. So Julia is Mexican.
Une femme américaine.
Une femme américaine. I like how all the voices have a different tone, eh? It's like,
Une femme américaine.
they almost sound real. Une femme américaine. So, an American woman. Perfect. All right, so that's it. Moving on. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. I don't know how to.